Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be trying something so fun and unique, something that I have never done before on my channel. Today we are going to take a look at my skin, my makeup with a microscope. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my skin and then show you guys how my makeup looks under the microscope and also my skin at the same time, because I have been breaking out a little bit lately. So we're gonna take a look at the breakouts as well, whether this microscope will be able to capture it under the makeup. So I do have the highlight on, blush, contour, and of course a sunscreen as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead and try to adjust the zoom for you guys. Wow, that looks so sparkly. Whew. Oh my God, are those my baby hair? That is amazing. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Wow, that is crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and get it close to my beauty marks as well. As you guys can see, I do have a lot of beauty marks on my cheeks naturally. So let me go ahead and take a look at this one right here. As you guys can see, there's a lot of hair. Oh my goodness, this is how my beauty marks looks. Oh, that looks horrible. What the hell is that? Can you guys see that? That is literally how my beauty mark looks like. Wow. Do you guys want to see a thing that's even crazier than that? I got a little milia under my eyes lately because of trying out crazy eye creams. You want to see how it's gonna look like? To be honest, I have not tested that one yet. So let's go ahead and see it together. It is right here. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys can see my concealer crease. What's so funny is like I have a lot of red dots. I have no idea what are they. It's kind of being hard to getting the microscope close to my waterline, so I'm gonna go ahead and avoid it. So before I get eye infections. So what I'm gonna do is I am getting, as always, like hormonal breakouts. I usually get it on my jawline right here. So as you guys can see, there's a little, scar left. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at that from here. Oh my God, this is how the scar of my breakout looks like. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the blackhead. Oh my goodness, I do have a big blackhead right here, and for some reason, this is underneath of my thickest skin. I have been avoiding extracting this blackhead right here, so because it's gonna lead to very crazy like irritation of my skin if I ever try. So I'm kind of letting it dry a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Can you guys see that? It even is showing the blackhead as well. What the hell is that? Is that my hair? Oh no, that's my weigh-in. Oh my goodness. I can see my weigh-in. That's not a hair. Oh my God. Whew. Wouldn't that be fun, like looking at our breakouts with the microscope and then see how worse it got? I can actually see a blackhead over there. That is literally cringing me so bad, looking at my skin and then seeing all this like under the microscope. That is, that is crazy. You know what, last but not least, let's go ahead and take a look at the eyeshadows. Wouldn't that be fun, like looking at how the eyeshadows look like with this little bit of sparkles, because I have added a little bit of sparkles today on my eyes. Oh my goodness, this is how my eyelid looks like. Oh my God, what the hell is that? That is so scary. Ooh. Can you guys see that? This is my weigh-ins. No joke, these are my weigh-ins. I am scared. I'm literally scared looking at it right now. Oh my goodness, that is horrible. Ooh, this was such a surprise for me, looking at my skin under the microscope and looking all those weigh-ins and like, oh my God, how my beauty marks look. They are not really beauty marks. Oh my God, they are horror marks. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know if you want to see how it's gonna look like with my real skin with no makeup on, and then I can actually test a products, let's say oils or serum, on the half of my skin and then show you guys the difference, how it's gonna look like, the difference of my skin with no product and the difference with the product. Let me know if you want to see the skincare version of this, fun video. I will be happy to capture one of these scary moments again for you guys. All right, guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. If you have liked this video, I will make sure to make videos like this more in the future. Have a great day. Enjoy your night, day, whatever that you're doing. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye, guys.